Inspector munene wa volisi Douglas Kanja eweta kana muvia wa volisi niwendeeye kuthukuma kwa vakuvi enola wa kutwaaisya ukunikili DCI kuthuima kisanga cha muvia yithiitwe yimandikithya na kumatwaa Kenya kuyi Russia ainene akaunti ya Mombasa ikomaneoni ila yetete vamwe makomanda ama volisi. Kanja ni waweta kana anameukwatĩkana nimeuvikia kuoso matambia amomo makemeyao ayumio kando muvio kwi makundi mausangili alamethitwe mayotho ya uvungulu wa mugo isioni su eweta amatukumoni matale. Angelina Museno kutuelesya.
Ainene ava akaunti ya Mombasa kavindani kala matwaaisya ikomano yimwanya na makomanda ma volisi onthe. Inspector General wa volisi Douglas Kanja ni wawetakana ni makuvikia kumosya matambe mavima akimiyao ala onthe makukwatikana makonetwe na siko sya kumatwaa Akenya kukitya nthi ya Russia.
Matters Russia for those for people who are there or stuck there. We are doing a lot actually to get to the bottom of this matter, and a lot of inquiries are ongoing. I know the DCI is very busy in that direction, and at the end of the day we are going to get to know who did what, who played which role, and so forth and so forth. Any person who has committed a crime in that direction, then you have a day in court.
Ingini wome ukanyo muvio kwi makundi maki ung'endili na ala methitwe maimanya masya ene nthi kwa kumoia na kumaumesya eweta kana matukumoni matale.
On matters, Paga boys and many other criminals around these areas and elsewhere in the Republic of Kenya. First of all, I must say that their days are numbered. Their days are numbered. We want a situation whereby no Kenyan will look over his shoulder or her shoulder because he feels that he is not secure. So, all those criminals, whether you are Paga welding, whether you are club welding or anything else, you must take note that we will not give you space for that.
Inge Kanja ni wawetakana mauvisa ma volisi ni meyovete kavio kule undu vatonyeka kuikithya makundi maki ung'endili na isangili ina kwata mwanya wa kuvalanya mugo wa nthi ya Kenya.
Goons, from whichever angle you look at it, these are criminals. And these commanders, all of them, they have gotten it very clear from myself. I have directed that there is no commander who is going to allow his area to have these criminal goons. Because it is simple, goons and they are criminals. Period. Police deals with criminals.
Gilivote ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma akaunti ya Mombasa nita wa Angelina Museno.